Hello, welcome to Effortless English. I am AJ Hoga. Today we are going to do something powerful. Put on your headphones. This is a special listening practice. Relax and listen. There is no pressure. Your brain will learn grammar and vocabulary automatically. You just need to listen. The story is in small parts. You can repeat each part, listen many times, repeat aloud. Shadow my voice after me. Today's story is about Alex. We will follow him through a simple day. We will practice natural, everyday English. Listen, repeat, shadow. Find a comfortable place and put on your headphones. Are you ready? Let's begin part 1. Notice my rhythm and intonation. I will speak slowly. Repeat after me. It's so good to see you. How have you been? Good, let's continue. Our story begins in a quiet, sunlit bedroom. The morning is peaceful. Alex, our main character, is still asleep, wrapped in a cozy blanket. The soft sound of birds chirping outside the window fills the air. The alarm clock rings. Beep, beep. Alex slowly opens his eyes, blinking at the gentle light. He yawns, stretches his arms high above his head, and takes a deep breath, ready to start the day. He sits up and looks around his room. Sunlight streams through the window, painting the walls with a warm, golden glow. Alex smiles, feeling grateful for a new day. He reaches for his phone on the nightstand and checks the time. He sees a message from his friend Sarah. "Hey Alex, see you at the Coffee Bean at 10 a.m. Can't wait." Alex grins, happy to see her message. He quickly checks the weather app. It says, sunny and warm. Perfect for meeting a friend. He puts his phone down and stands up, feeling excited for the day ahead. Alex walks to the window and opens the curtains wide. He takes a moment to enjoy the view outside. Trees, blue sky, and the sound of the city waking up. He heads to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth with minty toothpaste, making sure they are sparkling clean. Then he splashes cool water on his face to wake up fully. Next he steps into a warm shower. The hot water feels wonderful on his skin. He hums a happy tune, feeling the energy of a new day. After his shower, Alex dries off and goes to his closet. He chooses a comfortable blue t-shirt and a pair of dark jeans. He gets dressed, then checks his look in the mirror and quickly combs his hair. In the kitchen, Alex grabs a bottle of cold water from the fridge. He pours a tall glass and drinks it down. It feels incredibly refreshing. He makes a simple breakfast, 2 eggs sunny side up and a slice of toast. The smell of fresh toast fills the kitchen. He sits at the table and enjoys his meal, thinking about his plans for the day. As he eats, his phone rings. It's his mom calling to wish him a good day. Alex smiles and answers, "Good morning, Mom." They chat for a minute, sharing a laugh and some kind words. After breakfast, Alex washes his plate and cup. He wipes the kitchen counter, keeping everything neat and tidy. He feels proud of his clean space. He goes back to his room and packs his bag for the day. He puts in his wallet, keys, a notebook, and the book he bought yesterday. He checks to make sure he has everything he needs. Before leaving, Alex stands by the window for a moment, taking a deep breath. He feels calm and ready. He grabs his bag and puts on his favorite sneakers. He checks himself in the mirror one last time, gives himself a little smile, and says, "Let's make today a good day." Alex steps outside into the warm sunshine. The air feels fresh. He locks the door behind him and starts walking down the street, feeling positive and full of energy. As he walks, he listens to his favorite music on his headphones. The city is waking up. Cars drive by, people walk their dogs, and the smell of fresh coffee drifts from a nearby cafe. The Coffee Bean Cafe is not far. As Alex approaches, he sees Sarah waiting outside. She spots him and gives a big, friendly wave. He waves back, smiling, ready for a great day with his friend.
Hi, Sarah. It's so good to see you. How have you been?
I've been great, very busy with work, but good.
Are you ready to order?
I think we're ready. I'll have a cappuccino, please, and a croissant.
I would like the Chicken Club sandwich, please, and a black coffee.
Okay, 1 chicken club sandwich and 1 black coffee. Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
They talk about their jobs, families, and a movie they want to see. The atmosphere is relaxed and happy.
Here you are, enjoy your meal.
They smile and start to eat. Listen and repeat. I would like... Pause 3S. I'll have... Pause 3S. Say it with energy. Repeat after me. I would like to order. After a nice time, they leave the cafe and decide to go shopping. There's a new bookstore down the street called the Reading Nook. Alex and Sarah decide to check it out together on this sunny afternoon. As they step inside, a little bell jingles above the door. The air is filled with the scent of old paper and fresh coffee. Warm light streams through the windows, making the wooden shelves glow. The store is filled with comfortable armchairs and little reading nooks. People are quietly browsing, some sitting and reading, others chatting softly. Alex and Sarah pause to take it all in. A friendly shopkeeper smiles. "Welcome to the Reading Nook. Let me know if you need any help." Alex and Sarah thank the shopkeeper and begin to explore. They walk past shelves packed from floor to ceiling with stories waiting to be discovered. Mystery, fantasy, history, and more. Sarah heads to the fiction section, her eyes lighting up as she finds a display of new novels. Alex is drawn to the nonfiction shelves, especially the history and science sections. Alex picks up a book about ancient Rome and flips through the pages. He smiles, remembering a documentary he watched as a child. He sits in a nearby armchair and begins to read. Sarah finds a fantasy novel with a beautiful cover. She shows it to Alex, saying, "Look at this artwork. I love stories about magical worlds." Alex replies, "I always liked adventure stories. My favorite book as a kid was about a boy who traveled the world." They laugh and share memories of their favorite childhood books. They wander to the graphic novel section. Sarah points out a comic she used to read in school. Alex finds a biography of a famous scientist and reads a few pages aloud. The shopkeeper approaches and says, "If you like biographies, I recommend this one about Marie Curie. It's very inspiring." Alex thanks her and adds the book to his growing stack. Sarah chats with another customer about a popular mystery series. They exchange recommendations and laugh about plot twists. Alex and Sarah find a cozy corner with 2 armchairs. They sit down, open their books, and read quietly for a while, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. After a few minutes, Sarah looks up and says, "I could spend all day here. There's something special about being surrounded by books." Alex nods. "Me too. I always feel inspired to learn something new when I'm here." They both smile, feeling at home among the shelves. They continue exploring, stopping to admire a display of beautiful book covers and limited edition prints. Sarah takes a photo to remember the moment. The shopkeeper returns and asks, "Are you two finding everything okay?" Alex replies, "Yes, thank you. You have a wonderful selection here." Sarah then asks, "Do you have a section for graphic novels?" The shopkeeper smiles and points. "Of course, it's over there, next to the young adult section. It's one of our most popular areas." Alex and Sarah browse the graphic novels, picking out a few favorites. They chat about the art styles and stories, excited to discover something new. After finding a graphic novel, they head to the counter to pay. The shopkeeper rings up their books and says, "Excellent choices. I hope you enjoy them." Sarah replies, "Thank you. We will definitely be back." The shopkeeper waves as they leave, wishing them a wonderful day. Leaving the bookstore, Alex and Sarah feel happy with their new treasures. They walk down the street, chatting about the books they can't wait to read. Now let's practice some phrases. Repeat after me. Let me know if you need any help. Do you have a section for? You have a wonderful selection here. It was so great seeing you, Sarah. Me too, Alex. Let's do this again soon. Get home safe. Alex waves goodbye to Sarah as she boards her bus. He feels happy and energized after their time together. Alex checks the bus schedule at his stop. The number 12 bus will arrive in 10 minutes. He glances at the city map posted nearby, tracing the route with his finger. The city is busy. People hurry by, cars honk, and the sun shines brightly. He sits on the bench and pulls out his new book. As he waits, he watches the city around him, children laughing, a cyclist whizzing by, a street vendor selling coffee. Alex feels a sense of calm, enjoying the simple moments. The bus arrives with a gentle hiss. Alex stands, closes his book, and joins the small line of passengers. He greets the bus driver with a friendly, "Good morning," and taps his bus card. The driver smiles and nods. Alex finds a window seat and settles in. He looks out as the bus pulls away, watching the city pass by. Shops, parks, tall buildings, and colorful murals. He listens to the gentle hum of the engine and the quiet conversations around him. He opens his book again, but soon notices an elderly woman standing nearby. Alex stands up and offers her his seat. She smiles gratefully and thanks him. Alex feels good for helping someone. He moves to another seat and glances at the route map above the windows. He quietly practices English. "Excuse me, does this bus stop at Maple Avenue? How many stops until Central Park?" He repeats the phrases in his mind, building confidence. The bus makes several stops. Alex watches people get on and off, students with backpacks, a mother with a stroller, a man in a suit. He enjoys observing the different lives around him. The city feels alive and full of stories. Suddenly, a young woman nearby looks confused. She asks, "Excuse me, do you know if this bus goes to River Street?" Alex smiles and checks the map. "Yes, it does. It's 3 stops from here." She thanks him, relieved. Alex feels proud for using his English to help. He thinks, "I can do this. I can talk to people and understand directions." He looks out the window, feeling more confident. The scenery outside begins to change. Alex notices unfamiliar buildings and wonders if he missed his stop. He checks his phone, but the internet is slow. He feels a little nervous, but remembers to stay calm. He decides to ask for help. He turns to a friendly-looking woman sitting across the aisle. "Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. Is Maple Avenue coming up soon?" She looks up and smiles. "It's no bother at all. Yes, Maple Avenue is in 3 more stops. You'll see a big park on your right." Alex thanks her and relaxes. He practices in his mind. "Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it." He repeats the phrases quietly, feeling more comfortable with each word. Soon, Alex sees the park outside the window, just as the woman said. He reaches up and pulls the cord to signal his stop. The bus slows down, and Alex stands, ready to get off. As he steps off the bus, Alex turns to the woman and says, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." She replies, "You're very welcome. Have a great day." Alex smiles, feeling grateful for the kindness of strangers. Alex takes a deep breath of fresh air. The city feels welcoming. He is just a short walk from home, feeling accomplished and confident after his journey. Now let's practice some useful travel phrases together. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, does this bus go to Maple Avenue?" "How many stops until Central Park?" "Thank you for your help." "Where is the nearest bus stop?" "Could you show me on the map?" Try saying these phrases out loud. "I'm trying to get to Maple Avenue." "Is this the right bus for downtown?" "Could you help me, please?" "I really appreciate it." Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Most people are happy to assist. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Alex's journey shows that a little courage and kindness go a long way. Great job practicing today. Keep listening, repeating, and shadowing these phrases. Every journey is a chance to learn and grow. You are making amazing progress. Wow, that was a great listening practice. You did an excellent job. You followed Alex through his day. Repeat after me. He stretches his arms. He brushes his teeth. He gets dressed. Say them loudly. Feel the meaning. At the cafe, I would like... I'll have... In a shop. Let me know if you need any help. Do you have a section for travel phrases? Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. Do you know if this bus goes there? 3 more stops. Pause. Shadow. Listen to this story again. Repeat each part. Shadow my voice. The more you listen, the faster you will improve. This is AJ Hogue from Effortless English. I will see you next time. Goodbye. Practice daily. Subscribe for more.